Diving in Goa sucks. The visibility is horrible. You will not like it. Why are you diving in Goa? These were some of the questions or comments I got when I posted a story on my social media channel about diving in Goa. I understand where these comments were coming from because you Google and you get such horrible videos of diving in Goa. Hello everyone, I am Raksha from Solopassport and today I am taking you to Grand Island in Goa. Did you know that Goa is home to a shipwreck? Yes, this is one of the fascinating dive sites near Grand Island. Known as SS Rita or Suzys wreck, the shipwreck is a 1960s ship that used to carry railway tracks from UK to India. You can see the remains of the ship here. The dive site is perfect for beginner and advanced divers, as the site goes to a maximum depth of 10 to 12 meters. The dive site is home to many marine lives, like the groupers, really big ones, puffer fishes, butterfly fishes, nudibranches, and many more. Scuba diving in Goa is not that bad. I wouldn't say that visibility is as awesome as Netrani Island, but it was not as bad as what people assume or think it is. The visibility was a good 4 to 5 meters on both the dives that I did. I dived with Dive Goa and both of my dives were memorable. Being one of the legit dive centers, Dive Goa has instructors from both PADI and SSI, and they offer Discover Scuba Dive, recreational dives, and a range of SSI certification courses. The certification courses start from Rs 20,000 and the Discover Scuba Dive or recreational dive costs about 6,000 rupees. The only difference is that if you are a certified diver, you can do 2 dives in that 6,000 rupees. I absolutely loved diving at Goa, and it just made me realize how much I love shipwrecks. Both my dives were amazing and I would definitely go back again to dive more in Goa. Thank you for watching my video. For more travel updates, subscribe to my channel Solopassport.